Hello, hi, and welcome to the Chit Chat Show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swat Hindustan Ka. Today we have Nidhi Mathur, a very known face from the Indian television industry. So let's just invite her on this show and do some chit chat. Yeah, right. So I'm just going to invite Nidhi. Just hope that we connect with her soon. Yeah, hi Rohit, you have joined, and hi Paris, Tudeja, hi Abaz, hello, and I'm just waiting to just get connected with Nidhi. And thank you for all of you who have joined us. Who else? Varun, hi. Thank you for joining. I'm just waiting for Nidhi. Hi.
Yours, finally.
Finally,
Hi.
yeah, right, yeah, hi. So, how you doing? Tell me.
Hi, Asha. I am good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. There were a few glitches, like we were not able to get connected, and then we
Right,
tried
right,
again.
right. Maybe
Yeah,
some connectivity issue here. Yeah.
I think the internet issue might be there. Yeah.
Right, right,
So
right.
tell me, how's your lockdown period going on?
Oh, it's doing nice.
Okay.
Being at home, chilling out at home, spending time with your family, loved ones. What else could you want? No,
Right.
you could want. Of course, I am at a comfortable position, but so yes, it's going good for me.
So tell me, आपने इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में और ऐसी क्या क्या नई चीजें करी हैं जो आप शायद पहले बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ टाइम आप नहीं कर पाते थे?
Cooking.
कुकिंग.
I
Okay.
I would say that I am that great a cook or I have a lot of interest in cooking, but
Yeah. Okay.
cooking kabhi kabhi kuch acha. So
जैसे
yeah, I have
हाँ.
been cooking a
हाँ.
lot. Yeah,
Okay.
so I'm having fun cooking.
Okay.
Yeah, for my son. So making jalebis, making all sorts of experiments with chicken. Yeah.
Oh wow, great. So I'm sure that आपको अपनी family से बहुत compliments मिले होंगे, like you are cooking well, and they must have seen a new side of you.
Yes, that is definitely a new avatar. No,
Yeah.
I usually cook
Right.
very dishes that I'm very comfortable in, butter chicken
Yeah.
or this or that. So now I'm experimenting more. I would never
Yeah.
dream of making a jalebi or
Yeah.
some
Exactly.
different pakoras like
Yeah.
putting in
Yeah.
extra effort. But
Yeah.
this is new. Yes, this is nice
The
and new.
moment the moment you said that you make jalebis and you have cooked a lot, so the viewer is asking, please share the recipes.
Ah, yes, I shall do that. I have been just sharing photos
Yeah.
and we're just too busy, just
Yeah.
gobbling them up.
Right.
I will share the recipes. I shall do that.
Right. So tell me, like, Nidhi, आपने इतना काम किया है टेलीविजन में, कमर्शियल में, फिल्मों में, like, how your journey started?
Well, see, ideally, my journey should have started 15 years back because
Yeah.
my mom is also an actor. And I
Okay.
used to get a lot of offers at my doorstep, but my parents wanted me to finish my studies first and then think about going to this line.
Okay.
At that, in that time, people were not really, people were more focused on studies and, kids were not really allowed
Right.
to work.
Right.
Now, of course, the time is different. So I completed my MBA. I started working. I was like in two, three different jobs, and then after marriage, I had moved to Mumbai, right?
Okay.
So it was my mother who inspired me to get into this field, and started giving auditions, and the response I got was really, really good. So,
Okay.
yeah, I kind of stuck around, and
And you loved it.
Yes, I loved it. The industry is amazing. The
Right.
treatment you get is amazing. People are very nice, contrary to what people, believe.
Yeah.
Everything is very nice. You're treated like somebody very important. You're a queen.
Right.
No more reports, no more deadlines or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a very
So
good
tell me,
treatment.
आपका like, which one, मतलब कौन सा था आपका पहला project? Like, which one was it? And how you landed on it? कैसा था?
So first was Ahat. That was with Jimmy Shergill I did. It was a horror show.
Okay.
But it was very popular, something that I have grown up watching.
Yeah.
So I used to do that. So I did that.
Okay.
Immediately after that, somebody suggested I should go and give audition in Contilo. So at that point of Jhansi Rani was doing very extremely well, and that was after the lead.
Okay.
And after the audition, I was very surprised to get a call from them. And yeah, and that was a good track that I had. And for me, being a newbie,
Right.
I really loved the show. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Jhansi Ki Rani technically was the first show that I did.
Right. Thank you, Sindhu. Okay. So I'm just reading some of the messages also, in between जो आप बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so that's how you landed. And tell me, of all the projects जो आपने किए हैं, like you have done television, you have done horrors, and you have done these mythological also. तो आपके favorite कौन से हैं? कौन सा है like ऐसा जिसको करने में आपको बहुत मजा आया?
I have enjoyed doing everything, be it comedy, be it a horror show, be it anything. You can choose that I like this or don't like this. It's very difficult to
But then
compare.
what happens is like you get to dress up in a different attire. Mythological के लिए बहुत ही अलग attire होता है, बहुत ही अलग dialogues होते हैं, और एक horror show के लिए बहुत ही अलग attire होता है, बहुत ही अलग. तो क्या करने में कुछ challenges थे आपके, या कुछ करने में कोई ऐसी चीजें थी जो आपको करने में बहुत मजा आया? लाइक होता है because like this era we live in a modern era, so हमें नहीं पता कि पहले के राजा रानी कैसे होते थे. So it's like very बहुत ही मजा आता है ये सोच के, और when you see yourself in the role, कि मतलब कोई रानी के रोल में देखो अपने आप को, या इतने गहने और ये which is not new age like mode. तो वो कुछ ऐसा था like आपकी उसमें like जो आपको करने में बहुत मजा आया?
See, Mytho looks very good on screen, okay? Very grand,
Right.
very nice and everything.
Right.
Very grandeur and, elegance and this and that. But it is mad difficult, So when we used to shoot in like, in extreme weathers, it was hot. And the jewelry that you wear,
Yeah.
it is,
Exactly.
of course, it is artificial. And we are not accustomed to wearing that jewelry, right? So my skin is very sensitive. I cannot wear artificial jewelry. So anything I got so much of allergy, and it was hot. If you're shooting in the sun,
Yeah.
even if you're shooting in the studio, the AC is not working or for whatever reason, XYZ. So I remember also it's like 10 years back, but it was very difficult.
Yeah.
Like very difficult, wearing that heavy jewelry and then running with the kid in my arm and, being chased by the goons and everything. Oh God, it was difficult. It was unbelievable. And then your mukut should be there, and then your necklace should be there, and then
that's what I wanted to know, because दिखने में तो बहुत ही fancy लगता है, but then जब करने जाओ तो you get to know the challenges that you have to face.
True. So of course the outcome is very good, but it is mad difficult, doing that, wearing all that sari and jewelry and Maharashtrian kasta, and it is, trust me, it's very difficult. And all the more for the men who are doing it. One, they don't know how to wear jewelry, so they're wearing so many necklaces and the bare chested and with the mukut and everything. Oh God, it is difficult for everybody, and hats off to people who do it. In fact, one of my very good friends, Amit Pachori, so he used to, tell me his initial problems, how he had overcome, how he had adjusted doing, with the jewelry, kaise adjust kiya unhone apne aap ko. So yeah, it is a story. Definitely. It's not easy.
कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो मजेदार आपके सेट पे, या कुछ ऐसी यादें हों जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं, like with all your viewers and with all your fans, जो बताना चाहेंगे?
I'm lucky that way कि मेरा हर सेट पे कुछ ना कुछ यादगार होती है. हर सेट पे I get very friendly, and कुछ सेट पे ऐसा था कि जैसे Krishna Ben Khakrawala and the recent show that I did, आप क्या जाने से, people used to be a little aloof, ना, थोड़ा दूर, थोड़ा मैं क्यों बात करूं ऐसा था. तो fortunately, unfortunately, I just happened to join, and we all used to sit together. Right. We used to have fun. We started having fun, getting to know each other. पहले जो नहीं था. So that is one good thing that kind of comes with me. I don't want to boast about myself a lot, but I like to channel, like I'm a people's person. So हम लोग सब बैठ के फिर बात करते हैं. So it kind of becomes a very, happy set.
Happy set, yeah.
My favorite set, my favorite production, I don't want to take sides, but yes, it is Garima production. Okay. Because people there, even, right from the director, all the actors, we all sit together. Be it under the sun, be it, in a shade, be it whatever. You know,
Yeah.
we sit together, we eat together, which is one thing which I found very rare when I was doing Chidyaghar.
Yeah.
I love thing about the set. You know,
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं है कि अलग अलग खा रहे अपने अपने रूम्स में खा रहे हैं जैसे कि ज्यादातर होता है.
Right.
So this is one thing which I really like about Garima production, and that is of course because of Ashwini sir, Ashwini Dheer. So
Okay.
yeah.
So tell me, like, you said, I'm very sure, like, आप extrovert हैं, you love to chat up. तो how is your, if we just go back, आपके बचपन की तरफ वापस जाते हैं, तो how was your childhood? क्या मस्ती करते थे और कैसा था? Like, were you a naughty kid or a silent one?
I was extremely quiet, or so I would want to be. I was
Okay.
quiet. I was an introvert till
Yeah.
my college first year. Then college kind of changed me totally.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was more into sports और मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था कि मैं चिट चैट करूँ ये करूँ वो करूँ. I was more of
Okay.
but college completely changed me, and so I met my
Sorry to
teacher.
cut you short, but which sport you did, like, in school?
I was playing tennis on a national level.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
table tennis or lawn tennis?
Pardon?
Table tennis or lawn tennis?
Lawn tennis. Lawn tennis.
Okay, that's great.
So
Yeah.
that requires a lot of effort. So I used to
Yeah,
finish
I
my
know.
school and then play for like 4-5 hours. So my entire day used to go like that. And homework का क्या होता था, friends का क्या होता था, मुझे time ही नहीं मिलता था.
Right.
So yeah, so I would just too busy doing something or the other, trying to
Great.
grab onto my studies, and I was
Yeah.
used to be very exhausted.
Okay.
So yeah, so maybe that's why I used to be a very quiet person then.
Yeah.
But sports did take me a long way. I was a sports president in my college. I was part of the union.
Okay.
That is how college completely changed me.
Yeah.
I was a very quiet person, not interacting. Even today, if you ask my schoolmates, they might not even know my name. They might not.
Yeah.
But yeah, in college, that's a different ball game altogether.
So that was the transformation period, आपने एकदम से
Absolutely.
जैसे बोलते हैं ना, like from a caterpillar you actually turned into a butterfly, in college.
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. So tell me, like, how's your journey, in this industry? कैसा, like, जितना भी अभी है, and what are your future projects? क्या कहाँ हम आपको और देखने वाले हैं?
See, the journey has been beautiful.
Yeah.
The best thing about this industry is that there's no break in your career. You can work as and when you want, right?
Yeah.
If I want to chill out for a while, I want to spend time with my kid, I want to plan a family, I want to plan a family vacation. You do that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You are, basically your own boss.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So I am basically my own boss.
Yeah.
So whenever I want to work,
Yeah.
I would go and give auditions. But if you're working for something, then you're committed. Then you're
Exactly.
committed hands down. Then then I don't get time for myself, right?
Right.
So so that this is the best thing about being in this industry.
Right.
And future projects. Abhi to I was just taking it easy because my son is little and I invested too much time in Aapke Aa Jaane Se. So that 1.5 year of being away from my son, that I'm just trying to cover up being with him.
Yeah.
So right now I'm just taking a break, but a lot of projects which are lined up. I'm more into getting into web series or something. So my upcoming short film that I had shot for, or that I have already shot for, is called Night Rider, wherein there is Menon. So Katie Menon and I am in the lead in the entire half an hour short film. So I'm very excited for that to be releasing.
So that would be,
apart from
I'm
that,
sure we all would be looking for that, like, because working with great talents, it actually gives you a great opportunity to show your talent also.
Yeah, absolutely. It was divine working with him, and he's so professional and so easy to be with. So that is one which I've already I have been working on, and dubbing and everything is done. Then there is another web series which I was considering, but then budget constraints stuff. So let's see things until unless they come on air, everything is WIP, working
Right.
production.
Yeah.
कभी भी कुछ भी खत्म हो सकता है, पोस्टपोन हो
Right.
सकता है, हो सकता
Right.
है. So yeah.
So, just tell me, like, any message that you want to give to your fans, या जो भी budding artist है, who really want to make this big in this industry. I'm sure, like, you would have been a little easy in the sense your mom was already there, established, and, you would have, as you said, that, the offers were already there. बट आई एम श्योर आपको बाकी लोगों के भी लाइफ से पता चला होगा कि भाई ऑडिशंस देना और दूसरी मतलब किस तरह से जिसे बोलते हैं ना चप्पलें घिसना पड़ता है टू गेट अ रोल. So if you just want to give a message to everyone.
See, although my mom is an established actor herself, but things were never easy for me. She's based in Delhi, so and she had mostly worked in Doordarshan. So she had a lot of people in Doordarshan, but Doordarshan was quite passe by the time I wanted to get I wanted to become an actor. So उस टाइम तो सिर्फ दूरदर्शन ही होता था.
Right.
By the time I wanted to work, there is VTV, there is Sony, there is this, there is that. So she did not really help me. So मैंने भी बहुत जूते खींचे हैं, and I stay very very away from Andheri and Malad where auditions happen.
Yeah.
So used to be, it still is my biggest pain. फिर वहाँ जाके line लगाना, script learn. You have to be dressed up in that particular role. Gujarati है कि Marathi है, Punjabi है, hairstyle वैसे. And with that look, with that with not letting go of your expression, you have to give your audition. You have to give your best take, right? So I have been through it, and I would want everybody, जो भी industry में है, this happen नहीं. Somebody once had told me कि ऐसा नहीं कि आपने audition दिया and they'll call you.
Yeah.
You should give at least 50 auditions. Yeah. Okay, and even then अगर आपके पास call नहीं आता है काम का, so then you understand that somewhere maybe I'm not made for this field.
Yeah.
So you could try exploring other possibilities. ऐसा नहीं है actor बनना है मुझे तो actor ही बनना है. There are like 50 other things. You could be you could go in creative. You could get into production. You could start assisting a director. You could become a director. Not everybody is made to be an actor or lucky enough to be an actor.
Yeah.
So I just don't. What I really would want to tell people is not to get disheartened.
Yeah.
If one door closes, you should look for other open doors.
Right.
So try a hand at different things. If one thing is not working out for you, don't be blind and
just don't be disheartened. Don't be disheartened.
Yeah, don't be disheartened. Try something else. Right. Different things in the world,
There's one question for you, like people are asking, which is your next project in serial? कोई serial आप कर रही हैं?
See, in fact I just got this offer from another show, but with they would be shooting in July first week or something. Okay. But right now the situation is such that I don't want to step out for my family's sake, for my family's sake. I don't want to go out and risk life of my loved ones. Right. So right now I'm saying no to every project, lying low.
Okay.
Being,
So you're just basically you're spending more time just with your family, just to be there, and cover up with all the time that is lost, like जो आपने अभी तक काफी time जैसे आपने बताया बहुत साल आपने उसमें किया, so just making up with that time, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So अभी अगर काम भी आ रहा है, so I'm not really taking it up for my son's health because he is young, no? Yeah. It is going to catch on to him very early. So calm is not important. Your loved ones are more important than anything else in the world.
Right. Very true. And thank you so much for coming online and chatting, and आपने इतनी अच्छी बातें बताई. Thank you so much for being with us, and we just hope all the best wishes for your future projects जो भी KK मेनन जी के साथ आने वाली है. We just wish all the good luck to that project.
Thank you so much, and wish you all the best, Asha.
Thank you.
You're looking very, very beautiful, I must say.
Thank you so much. You too, and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye
Bye.
bye.